In the quiet city of Seddon, Australia, a typical timber weatherboard house with a double facade was transformed into a radically different residence. Cut Paw Paw, designed by Maynard architects. The project is a renovation and extension of an early 20th century timber house located in Seddon. The owners asked the architect to create something ridiculously inside out. The name Cut Paw Paw comes from the local parish, a name that appealed both to the owners and to the architect. The structure was intentionally left incomplete, revealing the building's skeleton as part of its charm. A pond tank system sits near the large north-facing opening, serving both as a habitat for plants and fish and as a source of passive, evaporative cooling for the home. The extension runs along the southern boundary of the site to maximize northern light into the new internal areas. The addition is characterized by an exposed steel frame, with visible structural profiles extending between the original timber volume and the courtyard garden space. The roof was painted white to reduce urban heat absorption. Inside the original house, some timber finishes were preserved, such as Victorian ash and spotted gum flooring. The new wing rests on a concrete slab with underfloor heating. The creative reuse of the existing house prioritizes recycling and waste reduction over demolition. The new section houses the kitchen, living room, dining area, and a music room studio, with a garden courtyard positioned between the old and new volumes of the house. By aligning the extension along the southern edge, the main spaces receive abundant northern light, promoting passive solar gain and reducing the need for mechanical heating or cooling. The central courtyard between the dining room and the studio functions as an unfinished open structure, surrounded by greenery at once, interior and exterior, house and ruin. The lot covers approximately 506 square meters, with a total built area divided between the original structure, around 69 square meters, and the new extension, around 80 square meters, subdivided into 56 square meters for the main addition, and 26 square meters for the studio. Sliding and bifold doors, along with timber decks, were used to create a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor areas. All windows are double-glazed. The house plays with the concept of inside out. The central garden courtyard seems to invade the home. The exposed frame makes the garden feel inside and the house feel outside. Its materiality, concrete, steel, and wood, enhances the sense of transition between interior and exterior. Decks, sliding walls, and folding doors allow the house to open fully to the garden on warm days and close for protection during cooler or rainy weather. In the garden courtyard, a freestanding outdoor bathtub reinforces the idea of a livable ruin open to the sky. Cut Paw Paw demonstrates how a very traditional dwelling, a simple timber home in Seddon, can be radically reimagined while maintaining a strong connection with its garden, structure, and climate, without resorting to demolition and reconstruction. It reminds us that contemporary architecture can embrace the unfinished, blur the boundaries between inside and outside, and still achieve high environmental performance. When thinking of a home that challenges convention, think less about perfect finishes and more about exposed structure, garden integration, and passive strategy. Cut Paw Paw already points the way,